Hi, I am Pawan Jakhar. I am an international student of Federation University and studying at its partner provider ATMC in Sydney, Australia. This video presentation is to present my contribution in major project assigned to my team. My project name is Toastmaster Membership Monitoring Planning and Communication Tool. My team members are Navdeep Kaur and Davinderdeep Kaur Sidhu. The primary aim of the presentation is to show distribution of the task among project members, showcase the contribution of each project member, highlight the technical details of each project member. In my team, I have been working as a project manager and software developer. Navdeep has been working as a software developer and software tester. Davinderdeep has been working as a database admin, software developer and software tester. We have divided our project in 3 sprints. Sprint 1 was started on 27th of April and was due on 10th of May. And as per my contribution, I have helped in designing the initial sprint document based on problem understanding, design the roadmap document based on the sprint schedule, design the Gantt chart of the project using the MS project tool, design the page mockup diagram using the MS video, design the CSS file to define the external view of the HTML pages, added login and sign up pages using HTML page. And sprint 2, which was started on 11th of May and was due on 24th of May, and as part of project management activities, I have extended the existing mockups to model new dashboards of the system. And for designing the super admin dashboard, I have defined the view for listing existing user and their types, defined the interface for adding a new manager type user in the system, define the interface for adding new admin type user in the system, define the logic for delete the users. So sprint 3, which was starting on 25th of May and was due on 14th of June, as per my contribution, I have been conducting periodic team meetings, monitoring the progress of the project and the project risk review, and integration of the social media sharing option with existing pages of the TLA, which includes Facebook sharing option, WhatsApp sharing option, email sharing option, Twitter sharing option, and many other 45 plus applications. Implementation of the RMI based chat server in Java, and this server allows graphical user interface based client application to get connect with it, defining the mechanisms to share chat text and files throughout the server. Project management was my primary objective, and as a project leader, I have contributed in decomposition of tasks, analysis of requirements, designing of sprint plan, and designing of project roadmap, and progress monitoring of the project using Gantt chart. As part of my contribution in the designing phase, I did page mockup design in the initial phase of the web development by creating outlines of the web pages in an abstract level. I have used MS Visio tool for page mockup design. For front-end designing, I have used CSS design to make the data and design separate. I have used external CSS. Most of the design uses Bootstrap CSS, and customized design is added with the Bootstrap CSS. I have given single page login sign up options with the help of JavaScript client-side scripting. A common login sign-up page is designed. JavaScript function helps to change tab within the page. I have extended the existing mockups to model new dashboards of the system, and defined new mockups for all types of users. New mockup design helps to implement dashboards of the user using HTML, CSS, and the sample dashboard mockups are shown below. In Super Admin panel, I have created the facilities like view all types of users in the system, option to delete user from the system, add manager option, add admin option. For user list formation, I have used HTML tables to store user list. I have used tables which are placed in the div class container. Table condensed type is used for table styling. I have implemented the delete button using image. PHP based logic has been used for the superadmin dashboard. And PHP based logic has been used for superadmin dashboard. PHP module has been used for user deletion, and the screenshot I've attached for the proof. I've used PHP module for add manager admin in superadmin dashboard. I have added share option with the website. User of the TLA can share a post task in the social media website. The share option has been implemented using third-party JavaScripts. For implementation of the share option JavaScript, inclusion statement is added in the page. Share option is added as a div class. I have implemented the Java RMI server to support the chat app. As per my contribution, I have created the interface to login chat client, interface for client to client communication via server. I have defined the server side logic for the file transfer. I have defined the logic for the state of the RMI server. I have used these commands to generate the stub and skeleton class, then to bound the port for naming the service, and to start the server in desired port. These are the screenshots which I have used for RMI server interface, which define the service and server log during user login. I have performed the product evaluation prior to each product delivery, and in evaluation details, Java module has been tested with unit testing. Graphical user interface of the website is tested manually, and RBAC routing is tested with performing login using login credentials of different types of users. Social media sharing has been tested by going in the real pages of the social media pages. And as part of learning after completion, product will make membership monitoring, planning and communication process module for the TLA, showcasing activities of the TLA by using the social media sharing option, quick informal communication with other members, share import files using their own applications. So I've learned how to make a chat box and how to work on a local server. And as part of conclusion, target application will help to fulfill most of the client's requirements, and development processes complete all the user stories which we have selected for this 9-week development window. These final products will make the operating procedure more efficient for the TLA. Final product will also be helpful to increase the social media footprint for TLA. As part of future scope, task scheduling and progress monitoring can be done in more efficient manner. No dedicated security planning is present in the TLA website. In future, we can upgrade security mechanism of the website. Rigorous testing of the functionality is required in the final product to make it fault-free. Well, it was really good to do this course, and for what I have liked about this course was weekly workshops, weekly supervision, and rescheduling of the due dates was also possible if required. Very helpful staff was there, easy access to real-time client and real-time project to work on under supervision of weekly basis schedules. And what I disliked about this course was due dates were fluctuating very often, and supervision session should be allocated until last assessment submission is due. Well, ideas for course improvement. I think teams members designation should be defined and given by academic coordinator or planner after the project allocation. This designation can be allocated as per the course major of the student or team member. An actual URL and space to work on should be provided by the university, and this will allow the students to create real-time website instead of developing demo versions on local server machines, and it will make the students to work on their development more enthusiastically. So this is the references that I've used. Thank you all. That's all from my presentation for my contribution. Thank you.